The chapter is quadratic equations for standard 10. We are going to do one more problem on this upstream and downstream. A sailor can row a boat 8 km downstream and return back to the starting point in 1 hour 40 minutes. If the speed of the stream is 2 km per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water. So we learned the concept of this downstream upstream in our previous part 10. So let's assume the speed of the boat in still water be x km per hour. Here they have given the speed of the stream as 2 km per hour. So now speed of the boat downstream is x plus y. That is in downstream the speed of the boat will increase. So x plus y, and in upstream it will decrease. So it is x minus y. So speed of boat downstream is equal to x plus 2. The speed of the boat upstream will be, speed of the boat is x. So x minus 2. Now it is, the distance is given as 8 kilometers. So we'll write the time taken to cover 8 kilometers again downstream. So that is equal to, again speed is equal to distance by time, time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is 8 by speed, this is downstream, so it is x plus 2. Similarly, the time taken to cover 8 kilometers upstream, 8 by x minus 2. So the downstream and return back to the starting point is 1 hour. So it is together now. Time taken for upstream and downstream together is 1 hour 40 minutes. So now you have to add this. So 8 by x plus 2 plus 8 by x minus 2 is equal to, it is 1 hour 40 minutes. So this 40 minutes we have to convert it into hours. So that will become 40 by 60. So 2 by 3. So it is 2 by 3 hours. So this is equal to 2 by 3 hours. So can be written as 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. So now this is the equation. 8 into x plus 2 plus x minus 2, x minus 2 plus x plus 2. So you get x minus 2 plus x plus 2 is equal to 5 into this 3 into x squared minus 4. Now simplifying, we get this as 5x squared minus 48x minus 20 is equal to 0. So splitting the middle terms, you will get this as 5x minus 5x squared minus 50x plus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. So 5x into x minus 50 plus 2 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. So 5x plus 2 into x minus 10. X minus 10 is equal to 0, from which you get x is equal to 10 and minus 2 by 5. Again ignore the negative value. So therefore x is equal to 10. Ignore the negative value. Therefore speed of boat in still water is 10 kilometers per hour. Now this problem is based on the concept of time and work, which you have learned in the smaller classes. A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B together can finish it in 4 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. So here A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B. So let us assume, let time taken, number of days, let x be the number of days taken by B to complete the work. Now A takes 6 days less. Therefore, x minus 6 is the number of days taken by A to complete the work. Now if both A and B together can finish it in 4 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. So since x is the number of days taken by B, so the quantity of work finished in 1 day. So B takes x days to complete the work. So part of work completed in 1 day. So part of work completed in 1 day. For example, suppose this is a piece of some work which is completed in 4 days. So first day you complete this much work, second this much, and third and fourth. So in 1 day your 1/4 of the work is getting completed. The second day again 1/4, like that. In 4 days the work is getting completed. So when the work is completed in 4 days, in 1 day 1/4 of the work is getting completed. The same concept we are using here. Let x be the number of days taken by B. So the part of work completed in 1 day will be is equal to 1 by x by B. So similarly, part of work completed in 1 day by A will be 1 by x minus 6. Now A and B, the question is A and B together can finish it in 4 days. Now we will write A and B A and B 1 day work together. You have to add 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 6. Now A and B is 4 days. So they are together, they finish in 4 days. So A and B's 4 days work will be 4 into 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 6. So they are completing the work in 4 days. So now we will equate it. So 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 6 is equal to, since it is completing of the work, now we will equate it to 1. So now this is the equation. 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 6 into 4 is equal to 1. Now we will simplify this. So x plus x minus 6 plus x is equal to into 4 is equal to x squared minus 6x. So you get 2x, 8x minus 24 is equal to x squared minus 6x. So we get x squared minus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0, from which you will get, you can write this as x minus 12 into x minus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 12 and 2. Now if x is equal to, x is the time taken by b. If x is equal to 2, then x minus 6 will be equal to 2 minus 6 is negative. So the number of days cannot be negative. Number of days cannot be negative. So you have to ignore. So we will take now x is equal to, therefore x is equal to 12. So 12 is the number of days taken by B. So number of days taken by A will be 12 minus 6, 6. So x minus 6 is equal to 6. That means that is number of days taken by B. A is taken by A and B are, A is x minus 6, that is 6. 6 and 12 days respectively. So the time taken by B, we have to find the time taken by B. So time taken by B will be 12. B is x, that is 12.